Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Parul. In this video, I am going to share 3 weight loss soup recipe which I usually make without using any oil. So let's start it. First soup is clear vegetable soup. In this soup, you can add whatever vegetable you like. I had taken corn, broccoli, carrot, mushroom, some garlic and ginger. Now we will heat a pan and add approximate 1 teaspoon of olive oil in it. Now we will add the garlic in it and saute it little bit. You can increase or decrease the quantity of garlic and ginger according to your taste. After garlic, we will add chopped ginger in it and saute it too. Now we will add all the chopped vegetable in it and saute it for 2 minutes. Now we will add 1.5 cup water in it and bring it to boil. And after boiling, we will cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Now it's ready to serve. I never add seasoning in my soups before serving so that everybody can add according to their taste, as I like to add some pink salt and some black pepper in it, and that's it. This is my favorite soup. I tried it for the first time and now it's my favorite. Yeah, please try it. This is very yummy. Now come to the second soup. It's a beetroot, carrot and tomato soup. I had taken 1 small beetroot, 2 small carrots and 2 tomato. Now I will add water in it and cook it in a pressure cooker up to 2 whistles. When the pressure gets released completely, we will strain the water and keep it aside and remove all the peels from the tomato and make a fine puree of these vegetables and add the water. Our soup is ready so quickly and so simple. Now the third soup, the pumpkin soup. I had taken 2 tomato and 1 cup of chopped pumpkin. I cook it in a pressure cooker up to 2 whistles. We will add all vegetables in it and add 2 cups of water in it. It serves 2 people. This is the best way to consume the boring pumpkin vegetable. When all the pressure gets released, we will strain it and keep the water aside and separate the tomato peels. Now we will make a fine puree out of it. In this way, we don't lose the fiber from our vegetables and it keeps full for a long period. As you can see, it's a very thick puree because I had not added a water in it. Now I will add water in it little bit and add my seasoning, the black pepper and the pink salt. Now I will mix it all. Before serving, you can reheat it and serve it hot. So these are some of my favorite soup recipes which I am trying nowadays in my weight loss journey. Hope you like it. If so, please give it a thumbs up. If you try any of these recipes, please comment down which one is your favorite and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.